In this video, I'm going to show you how to use emojis during Zoom meetings. Okay, so assuming I have this existing Zoom meeting and I want to add in emojis, or maybe to clap for somebody, or to show love, or to just react to something during a meeting, all I need is to come down here. You can see this send a reaction. You can click, and then you have multiple of them. You can send a love sign just like this. You can see it is going up during a meeting. Maybe someone does something interesting, or you can congratulate something like this, and you can be able to see it come into the meeting just like that. You can see select celebration, something like that, and then you can send it laughs. Okay, you can laugh at someone. You can see you are laughing, so the other members can see you laughing, or you can thumbs down a particular person. Okay, so it's very easy and very interesting. You can cry as well during a meeting if something bad happens, for example, and you can change the coloration of all of these from here. Okay, so you can change and alter the coloration, and if you long press, and see how you can send multiple of the thumbs down into the meeting, and you can hide someone from here by just clicking, and you can see you are clapping for that person. Okay, so this is how to send in reactions, different reactions in a meeting. You can do thumbs up as well from this. If someone does something very, very interesting that you like, you can thumbs him up. So if you found this helpful, please leave a like.